Now moving to the next question. A bus travels from station A to station B and covers the total distance in 6 hours. It covered the first half distance at 48 km per hour and second half distance at 60 km per hour. Find the total distance covered by bus. Here 2 points A and B. A bus travels from station A to station B and cover the total distance in 6 hours. So time get 6 hours. It covered the first half distance at first half. If we take x as a distance, or we can take 2x as a total distance, so the half distance will be x and this half distance will be the x. Now it covered half distance at 48 speed, so 48 kilometer per hour, and next half at the 60 rate, so 60 kilometer per hour. We have to find the total distance covered by the bus. Now distance is equal to speed into time, or we can say the total time t is equal to t1 plus t2. t1 plus t2 means for half distance to covered at 48 speed and this half distance at 60. So time t is equal to t1 plus t2. But total time is 6 hours and time is equal to distance upon speed. The first half distance means x by speed is 48 plus next half distance means x divided by 60. Now solving this one, x taking as a common here. Now 48 and 16, so 12 can be common, so this will be the 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. So x upon 12, 5 plus 4 9 by 5 into 4 20, and this is 6. This can be cut out as 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So the x will be 12 into 2 into 2. So this will be the 4 at 0 divided by 3. Kilometer. But we have to find the total distance. So total distance will be the 2x. This also can be cut here. 160 means 160 kilometer. So half distance x is equal to 160 kilometer. Now we have to find the total distance here. So x is equal to 160 kilometer. So another x will be the 160 kilometer. So total distance 2x is equal to 2 into 160 means 320 kilometer. So option will be the fourth one. Now next question. 10 years ago, Sushma's age was half of Reshma's age if the ratio of their present ages is 4 is to 7. So find the difference between their present ages. Here we given that Sushma's and Reshma's age ratio 10 years back or 10 years ago. So take Sushma by Reshma. 10 years ago means S minus 10 and Reshma's 10 years ago age will be the R minus 10. Here given that 10 years ago, the Susma's age will be the half of Reshma's age. So this will be the 1 by 2. Now cross multiplied here. 2 multiplied is 2s minus 10 into 2, 20. This is equal to r minus 10. So 2s minus r is equal to 10. So this is the equation number 1. Now another statement given that if the ratio of their present ages is 4 is to 7, means Susma by Reshma is equal to 4 by 7. So this also can be written as 4x by 7x. Now put these values in equation 1. So 2 into 4x minus r means 7x is equal to 10. So 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. So x is equal to 10. Now we had to find the difference between the present ages. This will be very easy now. X is equal to 10. So if we put here, so s is equal to 4 into 10 means 40 years, and Reshma is equal to 7x. So 7 into 10 means 70 years. Now the difference between both, so 40 and 70 is difference here 30. So the correct option is 30. Now next question. John is 4 times older than Martin. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 50. What will be their age now? Here given that two persons, John and Martin. So John is 4 times older than Martin. So J upon M. This will be 4 is to 1. In the another statement, 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 50. 5 years ago. So John 5 years ago will be J minus 5. And Martin 5 years ago means M minus 5. Their sum J minus 5 plus M minus 5 is equal to 50. So J plus M minus 10 is equal to 50. So J plus M is equal to 60. Now from the first statement, J by M is 4 is to 1 means 4x by x. Now put this here in this statement. So J is a 4x and M as a x is equal to 60. So 4x plus x as a 5x is equal to 60. So x is equal to 12. So from this one, J is equal to 4 into 12 and M is equal to x, so 12. So the option will be John's age is 48 and Martin will be the 12. So 12 and 48 will be a correct answer. From this option, third one is a correct one.